Then we have window, and window actually is a female word. So window is al-nafidha, al-nafidha. So if you go to the airport, for example, you will see that there is al-nafidha wahid, that's mean window number 1, al-nafidha ithnan, window number 2, etc. So al-nafidha, al-nafidha. Then we have the word sign, which is al-lafita, al-lafita. So f, t, al-lafita. Okay, al-lafita means a sign. It doesn't matter what sign it is, it's just a sign, a random sign. And then we have a separator. You know what the separator is in English? Separator is like if I want to separate two things. So it's the separator called al-fasil, al-fasil. So in a street you have both sides. So the things in the middle here is the separator. We call it al-fasil, al-fasil. We have a sky, and the sky is a female, so you say هذه السماء, السماء, هذه السماء with the at the end, السماء. And then we have rain, which is al-matar, and you say هذا المطر, هذا المطر. It's a male word, هذا المطر. If you want to say the sky is raining, so you say al-sama tumtir, because matar is the rain. But if you want to conjugate the verb and it's become raining, so it's become al-sama tumtir, tumtir. So it's going to be like that, tumtir, tumtir. Okay, but with a ta, not t, tumtir. Okay, al-sama tumtir, the sky is raining. Snow, al-thalj, al-thalj, th at the beginning, g at the end, al-thalj. So snow is al-thalj, and you say هذا الثلج because it's a male word. Then we have a car. A car is al-sayyara, al-sayyara, and it's a female word, so you say هذه al-sayyara, it's a female word, هذه al-sayyara. And then we have bicycle, which is al-darraja al-hawaiya, al-darraja al-hawaiya. And some words in the Middle East, some countries like Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, I think, they say bisklet. Okay, bisklet. So when you say bisklet, they understand that this is a bicycle. Or you can say al-darraja al-hawaiya if you are like talking officially to somebody in a formal way. Al-darraja al-hawaiya. And then we have motorcycle, which is al-darraja al-nariya, al-darraja al-nariya. Okay, so if you want to get the exact translation for the words, al-darraja means something with two wheels, but we don't know if it's bicycle or motorcycle. So hawaiya, which means working on air, that means it's a bicycle. And al-nariya, which means it's a word means working on fire, so that means it's a motorcycle. So al-darraja al-hawaiya, it's a bicycle. Al-darraja al-nariya, it's a motorcycle. And then we have the entrance. For example, if you're entering a street or something, if you have an entrance over here, so the entrance would be al-madkhal, al-madkhal. So there's a D in the middle and then kh. So al-madkhal. And al-madkhal is a male word, so you say هذا المدخل. Now we have a wall, and wall also is a male word, and it's called حائط, حائط. Okay, you say هذا حائط, this is a wall. Okay, then we have a grocery store, and the grocery store is called al-baqaliya, al-baqaliya, but we don't really use those words anymore. Grocery store, we can just say that I'm going to the market, and we say market in Arabic. We say market, supermarket, okay? But if it would be also good if you can use this word. So grocery store is either you say market or you say baqaliya. And baqaliya is a female word, so you say هذه البقالية. Like for example, أنا ذاهب إلى البقالية. I am going to the grocery store. أنا ذاهب إلى المارket. I am going to the market. Or you can say أنا ذاهب إلى الحديقة. أنا ذاهب إلى الحديقة. الحديقة means garden and it's a female. Both of these words actually are female. So أنا ذاهب إلى الحديقة. I am going to the garden. And by the way, I'm talking as a male. If you are a female, you say أنا ذاهبة إلى الحديقة. But if you are a male, you say أنا ذاهب إلى الحديقة, which means I'm going to the garden. And then we have the bus, which is, we also call it bus, but with a bit A instead of U, bus. And then we have taxi or cab, also we say taxi. In the formal word we say سيارة أجرة, سيارة أجرة, but please use taxi. Some people would not understand what سيارة أجرة is. So we use taxi also.